I wonder kung at the time that you guys were celebrating that 2002 championship, naisip niyo si Coach Joe nun?
Definitely, definitely. I mean, hindi naman kasi biro yung credentials si Coach Joe, eh. UP national team, tapos yung mga players na successful under him. I mean, kami naman naintindihan namin kung saan kami nanggaling, yung hirap tsaka yung humiliation na pinagdaanan namin. That was all part of the journey, all the way to the championship in 2002. And talagang si Coach Joe, si Coach Ricky, sila yung nagtiyaga talaga, eh. Sila yung tumanggap ng criticism, sila yung who stuck by us and defended us. Unfortunately nga, yun nga lang, the results, si Coach Joel yung kahit papaano, the maturity came.
Siguro lang yun nga, n siya kasi ang ano, eh, siya ang they started the program 'no, yung group nila and the group of players na nag-champion din with the addition of, some of the key players 'no. But tingin ko overall the maturity, the discipline was there already, the familiarity in each and everyone na kahit sigawan mo yung isang player, nagkakaintindihan. It's because of the personality na meron yung leader namin, which is si Coach Joe. Nung time na nagco-coach siya. That's why during the time na, na 'pag nagkakagulo nung time ng championship, alam namin kung paano maayos, eh. Kasi, ang tagal na natin dito sa sitwasyon na 'to because of, nangyari nun kay Coach Joe.